Sometimes I just feel kind of like a like I have a blanket of like yuck on me. And I'm not sure what it is. Like I'll get out of the shower. I'm feeling great when I get in the shower. I get out and I just get out and I'm like, oh, what is that? And I just try and get rid of it as fast as possible. Is that something that I should try and like get to the root of? Like, why do I randomly feel like this? What is it?
Yeah, if it keeps coming back, I would explore it for sure. Um, and the best thing to use would be like the belief tree process. So, and you're familiar with the belief tree process because you're in the collective. And I
Yeah.
would just use that probing question. So, like, if you wake up with that, and a lot of people sometimes will wake up with that. So, like, if you wake up with it or during the day you notice it, just
Mm-hmm.
ask that question. Even if you can't tell what that emotion or what that feeling is, you ask the question, what must I believe is true to feel this way? Or I feel this way because, and don't try to analyze it, just see what answer pops into your head. And that'll probably give you a clue as to what's triggering that. And if it keeps repeating like that, it's likely the same thing that keeps coming up.
Okay. Yeah, I hope it would be the same thing and not a whole bunch of random stuff.
Yeah, no, it's my guess is if it always feels the same thing and you recognize it as like, it's always when I get out of the shower or something like that, then it's probably the same belief, the same perspective that keeps creeping up out of
Okay.
your unconscious awareness.
Okay. And it seems that it's usually when I am feeling really good and it's been for a while, I'm like, wow, this is like really awesome. And then all of a sudden it's like, bam, like, ooh.
Yeah, and it could be something like, some people have a belief or a fear that it's not safe to be happy all the time, right? So
Yeah.
it's interesting, the advantage of this belief tree process is that when you ask the right probing questions at the right time, it's really interesting some of the answers that come through because
Mm-hmm.
sometimes they feel like they come way out of left field and we have no idea that we were practicing that perspective. And, sometimes it's just a matter of bringing that into our awareness and saying, oh, did I really believe that? Have I been really thinking that? Okay, well, it's time to let that shit go. And then choosing the new perspective and releasing it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I will definitely do that next time.
Yeah. Try that and keep me posted. I'm curious to see what'll come up for you.
Yeah, me too. A little scared about that one.
There's nothing to be scared of. Everybody's scared of emotions and clearing their stuff and all this stuff. And, I've been helping people clear stuff for probably 7 or 8 years now. And I've yet to see somebody's head explode or
Yeah.
or life get worse from clearing a negative emotion or perspective.